Hello and welcome to the SUPI Plan, Design and Code Your First Website course. I'm your host and instructor, Rick Lomas, and I'm also the CEO and founder of SUPI. And over the last 15 years, I've made a lot of websites. Most of them pretty good, some of them not so good, but some that have won awards. And on this course, what we're going to talk about is the real world way of how we go about this process. I'm in my bedroom right now. This isn't a fancy studio and I don't have some weird mascot with me. This is going to be very, very real world, talking about the way that I would actually do this. So on the course, there's going to be 5 different things we're going to cover. The first one is going to be how we work with clients. You may not have a client and you might be working on your own projects, but you'll still go through the same process of when you plan your website. The second thing is we're going to actually wireframe our site up. So we're going to use pen to paper to actually sketch out what we're thinking. The third thing we'll do is we'll brand and design this website up. So how do we go about adding colors and typography and layout to our stuff? So how do we go from this into something that looks like a real world web design? The fourth thing that we'll do is we'll code up the website. So we'll take the designs that we make on the computer and turn it into a real website that's mobile friendly too. Number 5, we'll go live. We'll add a domain to this and we'll actually get it onto the internet. Now, of course, there are some tools that we actually need as part of this course. The first one, of course, is pens and paper. We need these to actually sketch things out, but we also need some digital tools as well. So there's 3 things that we're going to be using. We're going to be using Notion to actually plan out this site, write some stuff up, kind of make our notes. Second one is we're going to be using Figma to actually brand and design this site. And the third one is a SUPI editor to get some code onto the internet. Now, how do we actually start this? Well, maybe we're going to work on a project. In this project, in this course, what we're going to do is work with a fake client. They're going to email me any second now, and we'll talk about how we get the requirements from the client and how we actually go about thinking on this website. So if I check my computer right now, we may have got an email from the client. Let's go and see.